steps to constructing a line segment perpendicular to segment BC containing point A. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to watch this construction. All right, so we're going to start off with a point that's not on the line and a line or line segment. The first thing you want to do is you want to put your compass on point R and you want to extend it further than the line. And then you want to mark on each side of the line. What this is going to do is this is going to create 2 points that are equidistant from point R. So now I know that point P is the same distance from point R as point Q. So once I do that, then I can put my compass on point P, open it more than halfway, draw an arc, and then move it over to Q, open it more than or keep the distance the same and draw an arc. And then once you have the intersection, you can use your straight edge to connect them. Okay, so let's watch that one more time. You're going to start with a point that's not on the line. You're going to put your compass on that point. You're going to open it greater than the distance of the line, and you're going to make a mark on each side of the line. That's going to give you those 2 points that are equidistant from point R. Then you're going to put your compass on point P. Make sure it's stretched more than halfway and make an arc. Move it over to Q, keep that compass the same, make an arc, and then use your straight edge to connect them. So if we head back over here, let's go ahead and put the steps in there. So in this case, we would place our compass on point A, open it past the line, make an arc on each side to give us those 2 points that are equidistant, and then put your compass on one of those points, open it more than half your line segment, make an arc below, put it on the other one, make an arc below, and then use your straight edge to connect them.